Have you ever wondered which trading platform truly gives you the edge, TradingView or MT4? In the dynamic world of trading, selecting the right tools is paramount. It's not just about placing trades, it's about analysis, execution, and ultimately, profitability. Many traders, especially those just starting out, find themselves at this crossroads, contemplating which platform will best support their journey. And it's a valid question, as both TradingView and MT4 4 have carved out significant niches in the trading community, each lauded for distinct strengths. For years, MT4 4, or MT4, has been the industry standard, particularly in the Forex market. It's a downloadable desktop application renowned for its robust execution capabilities, extensive broker support, and powerful automated trading features through expert advisors, EAs. If you're a trader who prioritizes swift order execution, relies heavily on algorithmic strategies, or needs a stable, reliable platform that's been battle-tested over nearly 2 decades, MT4 often comes to mind first. Its MQL4 programming language allows for deep customization, enabling traders to develop and backtest their own indicators and trading robots. Plus, the MT4 marketplace offers a vast library of both free and paid EAs and indicators, making it a hub for those seeking to automate their trading. However, the trading landscape is constantly evolving, and a newer contender, TradingView, has rapidly gained immense popularity. TradingView takes a different approach, excelling as a web-based charting and social analysis platform. Its intuitive, modern interface and advanced charting tools are a significant draw for traders who emphasize technical analysis and a collaborative learning environment. Imagine having over 100 built-in indicators, more than 50 smart drawing tools, and the ability to customize almost every aspect of your charts. TradingView delivers on that, and then some. It supports a wider range of markets beyond just Forex, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and more, making it a versatile choice for multi-asset traders. One of TradingView's undeniable superpowers is its vibrant social community. It's a place where millions of traders from around the globe share ideas, publish analyses, and engage in real-time discussions. This social aspect is invaluable for both novice and experienced traders looking to gain different perspectives, learn new strategies, and stay informed about market sentiment. You can discover top trading ideas, follow experienced traders, and even participate in live video streams. While MT4 has a community for MQL4 developers, it pales in comparison to the active, idea-sharing network that TradingView has cultivated. When it comes to accessibility, TradingView's web-based nature means you can access your charts and analysis from any device with an internet connection, with everything synced in real time. MT4, while offering mobile versions, traditionally requires a software installation, which can be a point of friction for some. So, is one definitively better than the other? Not necessarily. It truly boils down to your individual trading style, priorities, and what you need most from your platform. If your trading primarily revolves around precise, high-frequency automated execution and you have a preferred broker that integrates seamlessly with MT4, then MT4's reliability and robust backtesting capabilities might be your preferred choice. On the other hand, if you're a technical analyst who thrives on advanced charting, visual clarity, a broad range of assets, and the collaborative aspect of a strong trading community, TradingView is likely to be a far more appealing option. Many experienced traders even opt to use both, leveraging TradingView for its superior charting and analysis, and then executing trades directly through MT4 with their broker. Ultimately, both platforms offer powerful tools. The best one is the one that aligns most effectively with your trading journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.